Alright, so this is a practice of a perfectly inelastic collision. This is some examples from practice E from your book. You should see very similar problems. This is practice E. And that would be on page 214. So if you can check this one out if you're not sure how to do them, and this should help you in your solutions. So here in this problem we have a 1850 kilogram sedan that is stopped at a traffic light. So it's sitting there not moving, and it's struck in the back by a compact car, and this has a mass of 975. So the large car 1850, the small car 975. So let's write that. Mass of luxury 1850, and then mass compact is 975. Both are kilograms. We're not going to write it. And then we're doing momentum here, so we want to get velocity of the luxury car. And if you remember, it says stopped, so this is a 0. And then the velocity of the compact is equal to 22 meters per second north, and we'll just make that positive. Okay, so how do we solve this? Well, the basic way to solve these is you go M1 V1 initial plus M2 V2 initial, and that equals M1 plus M2, and those are going to be in parentheses because they start out as separate entities, but in the end the one car hits the other, pushes it forward, and they're really moving as one, and then we just go velocity final. So this is the equation we're going to use. And so then if we start plugging in some numbers, the one thing we want to remember is this velocity is 0. So if we make this the 1, this becomes a 0 because the velocity is going to be 0, so this could be gone anyway. We just plug in this other one. We'll just move it over here a little bit. 975, and that's going to be times 22, and that's equal to mass 1, 1850, mass 2, 975, and then we're going to times that by velocity final. So then we get our calculator out, we do the math, and we'll move this one over. And we go 975 times 22, 21,450. Write that down. And then that's going to be equal to these two things added together, so we'll just use our calculator. Could probably do it in our head, but we'll just use the calculator to make sure we don't make a mistake. Simple mistake and mess the problem up. And then 975. That's going to give us 2825. And that's going to be times velocity final. So then if we just use our algebra and divide both sides by 2825, velocity final will be, do the math, gotta clear this, so we get 21,450 divided by 2825. That's 7.6. Significant figures, 3, 3, 3, so we'll go 7.60. meters per second. That's our answer. So if this car is sitting at the light, if this mass is sitting there, this 975 moving at this speed hits it, in the end they'll both be moving at 7.6 meters per second, and then we'll say to the north. That's how you do it. Hope that helps you. Let me know if you need any other problems solved. Be glad to do it.